guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a Queen right here, Queen Shares, and in this amazing episode of the weekly vlog, I've prepared a picnic vlog with my friend here, and also I'll later be going on for a restaurant date. And yeah, we are here preparing our meal for our picnic. And guys, stay tuned for this amazing vlog. I'll get to show you beautiful places that I visited while on leave, and yeah, it was amazing. I got to try new amazing recipes, and yeah, tag along, watch till the end, enjoy, like, share and subscribe. I love you all. For the picnic, Celine and I were preparing baked chicken and guacamole plus vegetable rice.
Okay, let's go.
So guys, while the chicken is being baked in the oven, I'm gonna get ready real quick, take a quick shower, then get dressed, accessorize, and do light makeup. So guys, we arrived at this picnic site. Look at the ambience. It was so amazing, and it was so thoughtful for them that we all had different shades to camp in. And yeah, here is where we'll be spending the rest of our day, catching up, good vibes, having good food that we prepared, and meditating, and just being girls and just chilling out. I love the environment. Is so calm and peaceful, with the ocean like flowing and the birds chirping and the waterfall. Also we had such amazing pics from this place. You can follow us on Instagram to check them out.
Beautiful, beautiful, oh girl, I'm a problem, I love too hard. That girl got a problem, she love too hard. Says she needs somebody who go too far. She don't need nobody, she love who she are. Oh girl, I'm a problem, I love too hard. That girl got a problem, she love too hard. Says she needs somebody who go too far. She don't need nobody, she love who she are. Beautiful love, beautiful love, beautiful
And this was the after. Msifikiri tulimaliza rice. Tujaguza fruits bado. And clocking.
Yes, so guys, after this we took amazing videos and pictures. They were looking so stunning because the environment is very peaceful and calm, and we just enjoyed the rest of the picnic, reminiscing, catching up, doing future projects, and yeah. Yes, so in about 2 days I was having a beautiful date. We were going to this unique beautiful restaurant with Marin, and yeah, it was stunning. Tag along, stay tuned, and you'll enjoy this. This was part of my OTD. You'll see the rest when I left the cab, and there was my date beside me.
Sasa hivyo ndo trip hata iliisha.
Hamwezi rudi naye.
Tulikuwa tukitoka hapo tuende sijui kwa mekatilili wa Menza tu kuenda. Turudi na matanga.
Oye.
Tabaya.
C'est free.
Yeah, so guys, as you've seen, I gifted her because I love her so much and she's an amazing soul. Also, we had our starters later, then we'll order amazing food here, so stay tuned.
Sous le soleil de Chenette, les vignes dansent en cadence, des grappes de bonheur au cœur de notre France. Les coteaux parfumés aux arômes du jardin, chaque raisin doré cueilli avec nos mains. Chenelette brille sous le ciel clair de Beaujolais. Chenelette s'anime, un vrai trésor caché. Les fêtes sous la tonnelle, la musique envoûte nos pas, et qui étincelle, vibre fort dans nos bras. Les tambours résonnent, le vin coule à flot sous.
Yep, so guys, we finished our foods and did our setup for the Yo podcast. Yeah, we're shooting, so an episode will be out soon, so stay tuned for that here. After winding up with our shoot, she was headed for an errand and I tagged along, so yeah. Oh, look at that, look at the sun glowing on my face. Oh, I look so pretty. Yep, so guys, that was how my week was. See you in the next episode of my weekly vlog, but the following video will be the Yo podcast. I love you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment.
Okay, let's go.